Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about electric dipole, dipole moment, and electric field due to a dipole at an axial point. We have already discussed about charges. We have two types of charges, positive and negative. Now, what is dipole? When a pair of equal and opposite charges are separated by a small distance, then this system or arrangement is known as electric dipole. You can see here in the diagram we have two types of charges. One is minus q, another one is plus q. These are separated by a distance 2l. This arrangement is known as dipole. This distance 2l or the separation between the charges must be very small. It should be in nanometer, micrometer, angstrom or less. Now, the another quantity which is derived from this quantity of electric dipole is dipole moment. What is dipole moment? Students, we have two charges or we have a system of dipole. We have one charge minus q, another plus q, and they are separated by a distance 2l. Then the dipole moment, which will tell you about the strength of electric dipole, can be calculated with the help of this formula, which is q into 2l. Q is one of the charge out of these two charges, and 2l is the separation between these two charges. Dipole moment is a vector quantity and its magnitude can be calculated with this formula. In the vector notation, you can write this in this form. P vector is equals to Q into 2L. The direction of dipole moment is always from negative charge to positive charge in case of physics only. In case of chemistry, it is different. Now, what is the SI unit of dipole moment? The SI unit of dipole moment is coulomb meter, as the unit of charge is coulomb and the unit of distance is meter. So, the SI unit of dipole moment is coulomb meter. Students, the field created by the dipole is known as dipole field. As you can see, we have two types of charges. These two charges, the electric field created by these two charges can be calculated with the previous formula which we have already discussed, that is the electric field due to a point charge. When you add these two electric field, the net value is not zero, we'll get some value. So we can say the dipole moment, so we can say the electric field due to this dipole is not zero, but we have some values because the separation, because these two charges are separated by a distance. Now we have a small numerical. Just look at this. We have an arrangement, this kind of arrangement, and you people need to find out what is the net dipole moment for this arrangement. We have plus q charge situated over here and the coordinates are 0a. We have another charge is here and the coordinates are a0, and at the origin we have minus 2q charge. Now you people need to be calculated what is the net dipole moment. Can you see here the dipole? No. Do one thing. Just break this minus 2q charge. When you break this, we can write this in the form minus q and minus q. 1 minus q and plus q will form a one dipole, and this minus q and this plus q will form the another dipole. Now, what is the magnitude of one dipole moment? The magnitude is q into separation. The separation is a. So P is equals to q into a is the formula of dipole moment. Now, you can see the direction of the dipole moment is always from negative to positive charge. So in this case, the dipole moment is in this direction, and in this case, the dipole moment is in this direction. You can draw the diagram over here. This is the first dipole moment due to the first dipole, and this is for second. Both are same in magnitude, that's why I am representing both by the term P. Now what will be the net value? Net value obviously in this direction, and it can be calculated with the vector formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos of theta. Cos of theta is 90 over here, that's why the term is 0, and we'll get the value p root 2. You can put the value of p and we'll get the value of dipole moment.